Have you ever considered how much money is enough for you? Maybe it's your magic number to retirement. Imagine going to Harvard Business School with the intent to optimize your earning potential, to spend or save as much as you ever wanted, and then doing a complete 180 and deciding that you were going to give as much money as you plan to earn. That's what John and Greg share in this book, God and Money, How We Discovered True Riches at Harvard Business School. They cover a ton of topics, and if you're someone who reads the Bible, there are over 2,000 verses that discuss the topic of money. And that's part of the reason that they came to the transformation that they did in their own lives. And you can read about that and many of those verses that they cover. The book is really challenging. Money is near and dear to our hearts, and that's part of the reason that it's so important to our relationship with God. If you're someone who's giving thought to how much money you spend, how much money you save, and how much money you use to serve, this book is perfect, and I highly recommend it.